This is Randall Neighbors, 455 Skyline Drive, Center Point, Texas. It is May 23rd of 2024. This is toilet flush number 12. That's a 1 and a 2, 12. 9, 10, 11, 12. It hasn't moved that poop out of that Y in 11 flushes. Here's number 12. This is the last one. I did dip the poop out of the other toilet so I can do a flush on that one. Most of the, all the chunks I got out of there. So let's see how this goes. Number 12. Alright, let's go out to the wet well. Try to block this for wind noise. All right, here we go. Alright, I'm going to take the camera off of the tripod. I'm going to take the camera to the tent to where it makes a 90-degree turn, and then I'm going to video as I run the sewer cam down in there. See if it moves that poop out of that turn. Flush number 12 is my last flush on the hall bath toilet, and it hasn't moved the stuff out in 12 flushes. If that isn't convincing, then I don't know what to say. Maybe Tommy's got another reason that it's not moving. All right, let's go to the tent. Nothing's coming out here. I don't know who's responsible for this, because is it what Di Guerra did? Or is it what Tommy and his crew did? Well, I know Tommy's crew did that. All right. Let's lower the flap here and let's take a look in there. All right. Well, I can see right there the poop's still there. All right. Well, is it possible to push it on out of in down the pipe a little bit with the video camera? I think I'm gonna have to bring a bucket of water. No, I can't. Anyway, I wish it would take a picture, or we could get a clearer shot of that, whatever that is. Anyways, there's a big wad of it, whatever it is, and 12 flushes and it wouldn't push it down the pipe. I'll give you a report of what it took. I may have to pour water down this clean out. There's my, what's it? Okay. All right, anyway, I'm going to shut the camera off, and we're going to go flush the master bath.